so smooth. Hi everyone, my name is Nicole and welcome to Nicole Topics. Today's topic is DIYs, St. Patrick's in particular. So yeah, let me explain to you guys how this will all work out. So I'm going to try out 3 St. Patrick Days DIYs I found on Pinterest. And sorry for my face, I am breaking out and I have no clue why. But everyone has broken out at least once before, so let's cue that intro and let's start our first DIY. So this is the first DIY I'll be trying out. The stuff I'll be using for this DIY is a pencil for me to draw the pot of gold, the Sharpie for me to color it, the eraser that I no longer use for the paint, 6 acrylic paints, a bright sheet of paper for me to mix the orange and white to make a yellowy color because I do not have the color yellow, and a blank piece of white paper. I'll also use a gold and green Sharpie. I just finished my first DIY and it was very easy, so I would recommend this for all ages. And yeah, let's go to the next one. For the second DIY, I will be using cardstock paper, a white piece of paper, water, a brush, pencil, scissors, watercolor paint, and yeah, that's it. I just finished doing this DIY and I couldn't help to put happy birthday there because I really think this could be a good birthday card. Especially if you have a family member or a friend who has a birthday and St. Patrick's Day. So this is the very last DIY I'll be doing in this video. It is a coloring sheet of a shamrock. You can easily download it if you go to the website and put your name and the email. Then after you get the email, you download it and print it out. You don't even need a lot of supplies for this DIY either because all you need is a sheet and colored pencils. I am going to use Prismacolor. Well guys, I just finished coloring my shamrock. It's a multicolor shamrock and I think it looks pretty cool to say the least. Anyways guys, thank you for watching my video. Right up here is a playlist of all the videos I've posted on this channel. If you want to take a look at the Pinterest DIYs yourself, the links of them are in the description, so you can just click on them in the description if you want to look at them. Anyways, if you enjoyed watching this, please like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.